Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Filmora channel. Today in my video tutorial I will teach you how to make photo freezing frame effects in Filmora. So let's get started. First we're gonna drag it to the video to the timeline like this. So make sure that you have select it and then choose the files that you want. So now I'm going to use this file here. And now let's scroll out to find the frame that you like. So for example, just like this. Find the file frame that you like. Okay. Okay, this one here. So now I'm gonna cut it like this and then take a snapshot to on this icon. So click on take a snapshot like this and make sure the auto ripple is on, and now drag the photo snapshot just inside of this place, and now go to the transition and include, and then pick up the flash transition just inside the start of the snapshot like this. And now double click on it and change the position, the duration to zeros. Change it to this number to zeros. So, and this one is gonna find to tens, and then click on OK. And now you can see everything is look like very small shots here. Now this increase some size, and to make it more interesting you need to add some sound effects just like this. So now I'm gonna cut some part of these effects. Because we have a blank part sound is out here, so go ahead and then cut the blank part out from this effects, and now put it just inside this effects below up the effects like, and make sure that you have to adjust it to be a mix between the shooting sound of the camera and the sound effects is running together. And make sure that we have the place to be fit on the same of the position just inside this place like this. So we can move it like this to be a C sound effect like this, and you're gonna drag it for more longer like this, and here's the place that is combination between the points and the starting of that sound effects. And you can even also cut any part of them, so you need to drag it to the part of the you really want to cut it. It is a frame, but don't worry about that, and we will adjust it later. So now, and right now we're gonna change the snapshot duration. So thing that we're gonna do is double click on that, right click on that and select duration, and this time we're gonna change it to 3 seconds and then click OK. To make more very beautiful look and make it more professional shot, so we need to add some keyframe on them. So double click on that and go to animation and then click on customize and then add the first keyframe here, and you will see the blue mark is appearing inside this. It means we're gonna add some animation to that. And this time we're gonna move it forward to find the place that you want to be enough for this frame is appearing. And you can even add more longer. It is to take about 2 seconds or like this. And this time we're gonna add one more again, and this time we're gonna select scale to be zoom in like this. And then we're gonna click to the endings part of this place, and then return it everything to 100%, and then click on OK. The final thing that we're gonna do to make it looks more beautiful and professional, like it is a real, you need some view pointers in a camera mode. So this time we go to effects and search for Pro Viewfinders by typing the Pros, and here is the Pro Viewfinders, and then and now drag it to the first of the ones and the second of the layer like this, and now you will see everything is look like it is in a viewers mode, like a camera recording. And keep everything the same, and here is the final result. It looks like it is too long on here, so you need to delete some part of this. Now I'm gonna cut some part of this place. I don't want to be long to be short. Now let's see the final result. See here. Okay. Now this video is enough, so thank you for watching my video tutorial. Hope you guys understand about it, and please subscribe or leave me comment below if you have any question. And if you really want to download all of the further music effects, sound effects, please see the link in my description below and go ahead and download it, and then practice it at home by yourself. So thank you for watching.